Are you tired of scrolling through overpriced listings, feeling like you'll never find a home in Atlanta that fits your budget? You're not alone. The Atlanta real estate market can feel overwhelming, especially with prices seeming to climb every day. But what if I told you there's still a way to buy your dream home in this city without breaking the bank? Today, I'm going to reveal proven strategies to help you find the perfect property in Atlanta. One that fits your budget while offering great value. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a seasoned investor, or somewhere in between, this guide will arm you with the tips, tricks, and tools you need to navigate the market like a pro and land your ideal home without overspending. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the Atlanta real estate market. Before we dive into the how-tos of buying a home on a budget, it's important to first understand the unique characteristics of the Atlanta real estate market. Atlanta is one of the fastest-growing cities in the country, with people flocking here for its booming economy, great job opportunities, and diverse neighborhoods. The city's population has been steadily increasing, and with that, so have home prices in certain areas. But here's the thing: not all neighborhoods are skyrocketing in price at the same rate. While popular areas like Buckhead or Midtown might feel out of reach, there are many neighborhoods where home prices are still reasonable, and these areas are on the rise in terms of value. Places like West End, East Point, and Decatur offer a mix of affordable housing options with strong growth potential. Understanding which parts of Atlanta are poised for growth, but haven't yet peaked, is the key to finding a home that's both affordable now and a solid investment for the future. One of the reasons Atlanta is such an appealing city for buyers is its variety of neighborhoods. Whether you're looking for a suburban feel with excellent schools, an urban vibe close to restaurants and nightlife, or something in between, there's an area that suits your lifestyle. Plus, the cost of living in Atlanta is still relatively affordable compared to other major cities, making it a great place to invest in real estate. Step 2. Setting a realistic budget. Once you have a good sense of the Atlanta market, the next step is setting a realistic budget. The key to buying a home without breaking the bank is knowing exactly what you can afford before you even start looking. Too often, buyers fall in love with homes that are beyond their budget, which can lead to financial stress down the road. To avoid this, start by determining how much you can comfortably spend on a home. First, calculate your monthly expenses, including any current debts, and figure out how much you can comfortably allocate toward a mortgage. A general rule of thumb is that your housing costs, including mortgage, taxes, and insurance, should not exceed 30% of your monthly income. Online mortgage calculators can help you get a rough estimate of what your payments will look like based on different home prices and interest rates. It's also important to remember that there are hidden costs associated with buying a home. In addition to your down payment and mortgage payments, you'll need to factor in closing costs, which typically range from 2% to 5% of the home's purchase price. Plus, you'll want to have a cushion for unexpected repairs or maintenance. It's better to be conservative with your budget to avoid financial strain later on. Step 3. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Now that you've determined your budget, the next step is to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This is a crucial part of the home buying process, especially in a competitive market like Atlanta. A pre-approval letter shows sellers that you're a serious buyer, which can give you an edge in negotiations. Plus, getting pre-approved will help you avoid wasting time looking at homes that are out of your price range. To get pre-approved, you'll need to gather some financial documents, including pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Your lender will review your credit score, income, and debt to determine how much they're willing to lend you. Keep in mind that just because you're approved for a certain amount doesn't mean you should spend that much. Stick to the budget you set earlier to ensure you don't stretch yourself too thin. Step 4. Explore Atlanta's up-and-coming neighborhoods. One of the best ways to buy a home in Atlanta without breaking the bank is to look in up-and-coming neighborhoods. These are areas where home prices are still affordable, but property values are expected to rise in the coming years. By getting in early, you can find a great deal on a home that will likely appreciate in value over time. Some of the neighborhoods that are currently experiencing growth include West End, East Point, and Adair Park. These areas offer a mix of historic homes and newer developments, and they're attracting young professionals and families who are priced out of more expensive neighborhoods. As more people move to these areas, you can expect to see property values increase, making them a smart investment. In addition to looking for affordable neighborhoods, consider buying a fixer-upper. Homes that need a little TLC are often priced lower than move-in ready properties, and with a bit of work, you can increase the home's value and make it your own. Just be sure to budget for renovations and consider hiring a home inspector to ensure you're not taking on more than you can handle. Step 5. Leverage down payment assistance programs. One of the biggest barriers to homeownership is coming up with the down payment. However, there are several down payment assistance programs available for buyers in Atlanta that can help reduce your out-of-pocket costs. Programs like the Atlanta Affordable Homeownership Program and Invest Atlanta offer grants and low-interest loans to qualified buyers. These programs can cover a portion of your down payment and even closing costs, making homeownership more accessible. Be sure to research the requirements for these programs, as they often have income limits and may only be available for homes in certain areas. However, if you qualify, they can be a game changer in helping you buy a home without breaking the bank. Step 6. Work with a knowledgeable real estate agent. Navigating the Atlanta real estate market can be tricky, especially if you're trying to stay within a tight budget. That's why it's essential to work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who knows the market inside and out. A good agent will not only help you find homes that meet your criteria but also negotiate on your behalf to get you the best deal possible. When choosing an agent, look for someone who has experience working in your target neighborhoods and who understands the local market trends. They should also be familiar with off-market listings and have a network of contacts who can help you find hidden gems. Don't be afraid to interview a few different agents before making your decision. You want someone who will work hard to find you the right home at the right price. In conclusion, buying a home in Atlanta without breaking the bank is absolutely possible with the right approach. By understanding the market, setting a realistic budget, exploring up-and-coming neighborhoods, and leveraging available resources, like down payment assistance programs, you can find a home that fits your budget and your lifestyle. Remember, the key is to be patient and strategic in your search. Don't rush into a decision that could stretch you financially. With the right plan in place, you'll be well on your way to finding your dream home in Atlanta. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on navigating the real estate market in Atlanta. Happy house hunting! Contact our team today to schedule your free phone consultation at 678-785-5058 or visit moveupatlantarealty.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.